Welcome to DBMS class. Now we are going to discuss about the DDL commands. So DDL stands for data definition language commands. So data definition language commands are used to create database objects, to alter the database tables, to delete the database objects, to rename the database table name, and to drop the database objects. And grant revoke command is also comes under this one. So truncate command is also comes under the DDL commands. So DDL commands includes the create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, grant, and revoke commands. So next we will discuss about the syntaxes of these commands. First of all is create command. So create command is used to create the database objects such as tables, views, indexes, sequences. So all these objects can be created by using a create command. So first of all we'll discuss about the table, creating table. So create table command is used to create the table. Okay, observe the syntax. So create table, table name, bracket open. So after that column 1 data type, size, column 2 data type, size. So next dash dash column n data type, size. So based on our requirement, so we can give the number of columns. So after finally, so it is terminated by the semicolon. So this is one type of syntax. So this first type of syntax will create the database table so without any data. So if you want to create a database table by copying the data from the another table, we are using this type of syntax. So create table is a command which is used to create the table. So next we will give the name of the table. So that is table name, column n, data type, size, comma, dash dash up to column n. So number of columns we can give here. So data type, size. After that so here you can give as a select column 1 dash dash column n means so selects the data from the this table and copies this data into this table. So by using this type of second syntax. So this is so this type of syntax is used to create a table along with the by copying the data from another table. So but one of the restriction is so the both the tables having same number of columns and the same data type and same sizes. So to create a table by copying the data from another table. So next command is create database command. So it is used to create the database. Create database command is used to create the database. So for creating database, the syntax is create database name. So next create view command. So create view command is used to create the database tables views. So view is nothing but mapping to the table. So syntax is create view, view name as a select query. So here the data will be selected from this select query and copied into this view. So this view is acting as a table, but it is not a table, it is a virtual table. So whatever operation can be performed in this view, that will be reflected on this base table, so on from which that view is created. So next one is create sequence. So create sequence command is used to create the sequences. So these sequences are used to generate automatic numbers that can be stored into database table. So while inserting the records into the database table, the syntax is create sequence, sequence name, start. So from which number we are start the sequence number, start with the number and increment. So after the starting number, how many numbers will be incremented? So incremented by number. So here we are giving the number of values will be incremented. So here we are defining cache and no cache, buffer or no buffer. So next one is create index. So create index command is used to create the indexes. Syntax is create index, index name, on, table name and a column name. So this is syntax for creating index. So all this regarding create command. So next we will discuss about the alter command. So alter command is used to modify the structure of the database table. So let us see different types of commands options are available in alter command. So first one is adding columns. So for adding columns we are using syntax like alter table, table name, add column 1 data type, size, comma column 2 data type size. So in this way we can give n number of columns for adding to the existing table. So next B, second one is modifying the column. So modifying the column means we can change the existing column data type. So syntax is alter table, table name, modify, column name, data type, size. Okay, semicolon, terminated by the semicolon. So next deleting column. So for deleting column, alter command syntax is alter table, table name, drop column. So here we are using drop column, column name to delete the column from the existing table. So next adding constraint. Constraint means we can add the integrity constants to the existing table. So alter table, table name. So add constraint, constraint name. So after that, so here we need to give the name of the constant. Either it may be a primary key or foreign key. So after this one, so you need to give the name of the key, that is a primary key of column name terminated by semicolon. So in this way we are adding the constraint. So next one is deleting constraint. So for deleting constraint, syntax is alter table, drop constraint, so constraint name. So this is for deleting constraint. Next we will discuss about the drop command. So create command and alter command completed. Syntaxes. Next drop command. So drop command is used to delete the database objects such as tables, views, indexes, sequences. So syntaxes for creating database objects are, first one is drop database command is used to delete or drop the database from the databases. So drop table command, this command actually drop database command we are not using in practically. So this is used by the database administrator for creating database. So drop table command is used to delete the table. So drop table, table name, this command is used to delete the table. So drop view command is used to delete the views. So drop view, view name as a syntax. So next drop index command is used to delete the indexes. So syntax is drop index, index name and terminated by the semicolon. So next one, drop sequence command is used to delete the sequences. Syntax drop sequence, sequence name, so and terminated by semicolon. So next one, truncate command. So truncate command is used to delete all the records. So the records which are deleted by the truncate command will not be restored or roll back. So syntax is truncate table, table name and semicolon. So next one is grant command. So grant command is used to assign the privileges to the user. So that is insert, update, delete privilege to on specific object to the user. Syntax is grant object privileges on object name means table names to which user and terminated by semicolon. So next one is a revoke command. So revoke command is used to withdraw or releases the permissions, access privileges or permissions so from the user or given with the grant command. So syntax is revoke object name on table name from which user. Okay, next one, comment. So comment command is used to add the comments to the data dictionary. So next one, rename command. So rename command is used to change the database table name. So syntax is rename old table name to keyword new table name. So this here the old table name, existing table name will be replaced with the new table name. Okay, thank you. This is regarding DDL commands. In the next video we will discuss about the practically how these commands will be implemented.